Okay, so sometimes the problems, they look really scary. And here, so this problem's asking us to find the value of x down here, okay? But we don't really know a lot. The only thing that we know is that this exterior angle right here equals 120, okay? So what we have to do is we have to start with the information that we do know and kind of work our way over to whatever angle it's trying to get us to solve for, okay? So first thing that I see here, if I know that this angle right here is 120, that means I can figure out this angle because they are a linear pair, okay? So remember, a linear pair means they add up to equal 180. So to find the measure of this angle right here, I can say 180 minus 120, okay? And that gives us 60. So I know that this angle right here is 60 degrees, okay? So then if I look, it tells me that this is an isosceles triangle and this side is equal to this side of the triangle, which means that this angle down here is going to be equal to this angle, okay? So here, if I say, treat this like we don't know what it is, I'm just going to put an x there and an x there. We don't know what those two are, but we do know that they are equal. I can say that x plus 60 equals 180, okay? So that's 2x plus 60 equals 180. So when I subtract 60, we get 2x equals 120, and then we divide by 2, and that tells me that x equals 60, okay? So I know that this angle equals 60, and this angle also equals 60, okay? Well, then from here, we can now move in to this second triangle, okay? And these angles right here are vertical angles. So if this one is 60, that means that one is also 60, okay? And then again, we have an isosceles triangle, and this side is equal to this side. So that means we know that if this angle is 60, that this angle is also 60. And again, we have a vertical angle right here. So if this angle is 60, that means the our angle down here that we're solving for is also equal to 60.